Shout out Coach Eddie. You're fine. Hey, you're pitching good. You're pitching great. Hey, my fault. Hey, you're good. Just stay in. Don't get down on yourself. Don't be out yet. There you go, Michael. By the way, on. Ah, pull the trigger. I'm in Spanish 3. I know. I'm in Spanish 3. I know a little bit of Spanish. Buenos. See? His legal first name is Speedy?
No, like we call him Speedy.
Oh.
And guess what his last name is?
Gonzalez?
Yeah.
Area audio!
And he,
By the way, on!
we were at a perfect game and he almost hit a bomb over the fence.
Did he actually?
Yeah.
What? I think it's 3-1. It might be 2-1 though. Good leave! That's what I'm trying to say. Robbie. No! Robbie, you was
Trying to hop on the court.
Of course, bro.
Come on, Nathan.
Let's go, Nathan! Oh, good leave! Robbie's taking this fucking arm sleeve. I don't care what he says. He's taking this arm sleeve.
What is it? Yours?
Yes. He's wearing a sock. He's wearing a sock that he cut the foot part off. Look at him, bro.
Braden Rudolph's line is bad. Nothing will beat that.
Oh my god, that one was horrible. It was terrible. Yes. No, it wasn't. It was a shitty bat. It was. Oh, good swing! Good swing! I just want to get on base, bro. I don't even care if I get a hit, if I get on a fielder's choice. What? Where is it? Which one's your bag? This one? Where is it in it? The main pouch? I love rice. I love chicken. I love chicken curry and rice. I love chicken curry and rice. Is that racist? I can't say that, can I?
Yeah. Hey, switching in.
Take these. I'm 14 years old, and I'm on the mic today. Shout out Coach Eddie. Shouts out Eddie. Hey, fix it back in. You're good. Hey, Ryan, you and me. You and me up middle. Oh, never. Hey! Down. The 0-1 from Ocean Lindsay. Kicks and deals. Ah, a little outside. Areas. That ball's grounded to third base. Made by Tico for the out. Hey, Michael. Where's Ocean? Ocean, come here. If me or Michael goes like this or this, throw it. It hit him in the back of the neck.
It did?
It hit him right here.
Oh my god.
Did he catch it off his? Did you catch it off your neck? I thought it hit his neck and it bounced up and he caught it. Yeah, I thought he caught it. Well, I know now that he didn't catch it. Gracias.
De nada, de nada.
Thank you.
Buena suerte mañana.
Good luck.